I just sat myself down, figured out how much I needed per month to pay the mortgage, the bills and food. Simple as. I always say, do you realise somebody didn't want that cup and shoved it in a second-hand shop because they didn't want it anymore? And although I can't recycle everything in the world that's crockery, I'm doing my best. I put a step-by-step approach of my work in progress when I mosaic. People can see two pieces of crockery with a tile and a bit of unctuous deliciousness, as I call it, or beads and whatnot. And I go, I can see that, I can do that. Art is not about passing a blooming exam, it's about what you feel. You can't mark that. I would say to folks in workshops, look, we're not doing the Sistine Chapel. This is day one of you holding this tar nipper. You're walking away with a new skill, and that way I'm empowering them.